Discover the warmth, the essence of fireplace ambience. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a cozy and comforting topic that has captured the hearts of many, especially during the colder seasons. We're going to explore the meaning and charm of fireplace ambience. Whether you're learning English or simply love to enrich your vocabulary, this video will unwrap the layers behind this delightful phrase. So, grab a warm drink, and let's get started. Fireplace ambience combines two words that evoke warmth and comfort. Let's dissect these terms to fully grasp their meanings. Fireplace. This is a part of a room designed to contain a fire, typically used for heating but sometimes also for cooking. Fireplaces are often associated with a homey, warm feeling, especially in cold weather. Ambience. This term refers to the character and atmosphere of a place. It's the feeling or mood that you experience in a particular setting, influenced by factors like light, space, and in our case, the warmth and visuals of a fire. Together, fireplace ambience refers to the cozy, warm, and inviting atmosphere created by a fireplace. It's not just about the physical warmth, but also the emotional comfort it brings. The concept of fireplace ambience is more than just a description of a room's feature. It's about the experience and feelings it evokes. Here's why it holds a special place in many hearts. Comfort and warmth. Beyond the physical warmth, the glow of a fire can make any space feel more inviting and comfortable. Relaxation. Watching the gentle dance of flames can be mesmerizing and therapeutic, helping to reduce stress and create a sense of peace. Social and cultural significance. In many cultures, gathering around a fire is a time for storytelling, bonding, and sharing experiences, making the fireplace a symbol of community and tradition. The phrase fireplace ambience is not just a functional description but also a cultural symbol. It highlights how language can capture the essence of experiences that are universally valued, such as warmth, comfort, and togetherness. This phrase enriches the English vocabulary, offering learners a glimpse into the cultural significance of warmth and comfort in English-speaking societies. We hope this exploration of fireplace ambience has not only taught you about the phrase itself but also warmed your heart. Remember, language is a beautiful tool that helps us share and understand the myriad of human experiences. So, the next time you enjoy the warmth of a fire, think of the ambience it creates and the universal feelings of comfort and togetherness it symbolizes. Thank you for watching, and stay warm and inspired.